This is the YOUNGDO W7. It's a full-service fitness band with your step count and, of course, calories burned and distance traveled. And you have weather, which after a firmware update is now in Fahrenheit. You have messages pushed to the watch from your phone, a built-in heart rate monitor, of course, you can go into, and all types of exercise opportunities, including walking, running, icon-driven bicycling, hiking, and other fitness activities in terms of sporting activities where you can actually change them up to 24 different sports. You have other features built into it as well, including a music player, a remote camera, an ability to change your watch faces, which will show you some of the selection that you have available to you, all right here on the watch. You've got GPS, as I said, built in. You can turn it on and off here, find your phone, and reset the phone or the watch if you'd like, or power it down. All of this comes in a tight little package that has removable bands and allows you to charge it simply by plugging it into a USB charger. Once again, it's called the YOUNGDO W7. Check it out.